Hey there, savvy shoppers. If you're an Amazon Prime member with a Visa card, you're in for a treat. Today, we're breaking down how to use your Amazon Prime Visa for monthly payments, making big purchases a breeze without the financial strain. Let's dive right in. First off, what's the Amazon Prime Visa? It's a credit card issued by Chase Bank, exclusively for Prime members. It offers 5% back on Amazon.com purchases, 2% at restaurants, gas stations, and more, plus 1% everywhere else. But the real magic is in its payment options, like splitting big buys into monthly installments. To get started, you need to apply for the card if you haven't already. Head over to the Chase website or Amazon's financial services page. You'll need a good credit score, typically 700 or above, to qualify. Once approved, link your card to your Amazon account for seamless integration. Now, for the monthly payments feature. When you're checking out on Amazon for an eligible purchase over a certain amount, usually $50 or more, you'll see an option for equal pay or installment plans. Select that, and choose how many months you want to pay it off, like 6, 12, or 24 months. Amazon and Chase will calculate your fixed monthly payment, often with no interest if you pay on time. Why is this awesome? It helps you budget better by breaking down costs. Plus, you still earn rewards on those purchases. But here's a heads up. If you miss payments, interest rates can kick in at around 15 to 25% APR, so stay on top of your dues. A few quick tips. Always check for any fees associated with the plan, set up auto payments through your Chase account, and track your spending to avoid debt. It's a fantastic tool for things like electronics or furniture. There you have it. Using your Amazon Prime Visa for monthly payments is straightforward and rewarding. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.